is Diane from Owl's Treasures. Today I'm going to be using Honey I Wash the Kids from Bee Scented. I have not used this fragrance before, so we are going to do an experiment. Technically, we're going to do a test batch, and for colors I'm going to try and do black with neons in it, so depending on how it behaves. I have from Micah's More Vivid Violet, Bodacious Blue, Radically Reddish, Glitzy Green, Yellow, and Outrageous Orange, all neons, and Black Iron Oxide from Mad Micah's. So let's get started. here's how the soap turned out. Love the colors. So while I was recording this, there were tons of noise in the background, so I don't know how much of the video will actually have sound. I may just fast forward through a lot of it. So we will see when I edit. I used Honey I Wash the Kids on this one. Been experimenting with rainbows and colors. I was going to try and hanger swirl this, but it did get a little too hard for that, so hopefully I didn't mess the soap up too badly with that. Oh, that's gorgeous. That is just beautiful. I like that. The fragrance is very light. I used Honey I Wash the Kids on it from Be Scented. So I think if I use that again, I would use a little higher ratio. It smells very nice, but it is faint. I have to say, I love the way that turned out. Very, very happy with that. I don't normally do straight lines. I have done them in the past, but I think the lines that aren't straight actually turn out cuter. I know everyone has their own opinion on that, but very happy with the top. Looks very pretty. That almost looks like a smile with the orange and the pink. A little bit of a blowout there, but I can live with that. Was a little thick. When you're using so many colors, you do take even more chances than you would if you're only using 2 or 3. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Hit the subscribe button if you'd like to be included in seeing more. And hit the notification bell if you would like to be notified when I put more videos up. Thank you for joining me. Have a good day. Can I mess that up? I have to even that out a little bit.